Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my skincare favourites for dry skin. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. So let's get started. At the beginning of 2020 I started a skincare routine to better my skin, and it helped a ton. I'll make sure to link the products that I show you down below in the description box so you can go purchase them for yourself if you feel like purchasing these products. So the cleanser I started using to better my skin is the Serum Hydrating Cleanser for normal to dry skin. This product has helped a lot to better my skin. It's the best cleanser you can find. When I started using this, I just felt like my skin was brighter and cleared it up a lot without making it dry. Serum also has foaming cleansers, which does exactly the same, but it is foamy instead of cream consistency. So if you prefer that, then you can go ahead and get a foam cleanser. But I don't want to use too much water on my face in the morning, so I would use a cream cleanser because it helps much better than a foam one does. But yeah, it depends on what one you really prefer. So I prefer this one. This cleanser, the Serum is really good, and they have very many options to choose from if you are looking for a cleanser. So I don't use a toner anymore. Well, I go ahead and use an exfoliator because I feel like toners are unnecessary, so I just go ahead and use an exfoliant. So this is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. It does what it says it does. It shrinks your pores and smoothens and evens out your skin tone, and it is also lightweight, so it does absorb quickly. But when you use this product, because it has quite a small little tip right here, when you use it, you should just use like 2 drops of it on a cotton pad, because it is better than using it all up on one cotton pad like this. So just use like 2 drops or 3. But the size of the product is not the biggest, so you don't use this every day. You use this like twice a week or once a week, depending on if you've used this or not, and if it is the first time you're using this, and probably once a week. But you can use it twice a week if you prefer. And if you've never heard of Paula's Choice, you can go ahead and check out their website down below as well. This isn't sponsored, I'm just giving you a couple products. It really does work like magic. Then I go ahead and use the serum. I use the Inculus Niacinamide serum. This helps to control excess oils and reduce redness and irritation. So it just depends on what serum you want to use for your skin and your skin routine. There are very many serums to choose from on the website. If you go on the website, then you can see that there are very many others to choose from. It depends what type of serum you want to use, because I want to use this one. There are other products. I will link this down below so you can check it out as well. The next product I would use is a cucumber eye gel, and I wouldn't recommend using a really expensive one. I mean, if you have the money, then go ahead, but I use just the cucumber eye gel, which helps reduce the appearance of puffiness. You only have to use a tiny bit of this because there isn't a lot in here. The next product I would use is this Botanics 100% organic with rosehip and lavender restoring overnight facial oil. I would use a facial oil overnight. If you're looking for a facial oil, then I recommend this. It also helps when you use a Jade roller. When you put a facial oil on your face, it will be easier to roll this around your face, and it will reduce the puffiness on your face if you feel very puffy on that day. Yeah, so I'd recommend a Jade roller, and it does help for under your eyes as well. And this is for dry skin only, so please be aware with what videos you watch, because they could recommend oily, but they also could recommend dry skin. So I use these products for dry skin. The moisturizer that I use is a Happy Hydration cream from e.l.f. It's a moisturizer basically that you should use every time you finish your skincare, and if you can't find a great moisturizer, then I think this one is a good choice to purchase. I also put this up on the website, and I'll put the prices next to the links in the description box so you can check out how much they cost. So the last product I use is a sun cream. It's like an actual cream, not a sun cream, if that makes any sense. This is the All Bright Botanics Day Cream, SPF 15. So if you live in a hot country, I'd recommend you to use a sun cream in the summer, and it would really protect it more than just the little cream that I have for the winter. Do you like my setup? How cute is it? I've got little lights and stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then make sure to check out my other videos. I will be posting soon for some more content for you all. So make sure to check out my Instagram at natalia_official, and I will see you all next week. Bye!